Can do.
Towards your knee, I feel works best.
All right.
All right. Have fun, guys.
Sounds
All
good.
right, thanks.
See how stable this stays, I don't know. It has a propensity just for no reason to flip all the way around the gimbal. We'll just be like, no, we're looking the other way now.
Oh, the gimbal?
Yeah,
Okay.
so we're gonna try it.
Yeah.
This is the bungee test.
Don't drop it. Yeah.
Oh, I don't know, I have the strap on, we're good.
Strap on.
Strap on. That's on video.
Yeah, cool.
Real mature, Sarah. This is sketch.
Yeah. Man, it's so weird. Testing it.
I feel like I'm being like slowly choked out as I go, actually.
I just thought there'd be something keeping me in more, like feet things or something.
Tried to look out that way real quick.
I'm gonna pull it now, okay?
Do not pull it now. Come back, GoPro. Just like that. No, no, come back. See, it just wants to do this sometimes.
Yeah.
No, you dick. Look at us. No.
Why is it so? We have to figure out.
It's like some Wall-E thing, like Pixar looking thing.
Yeah. This is pretty.
It's very pretty, but I don't want to turn the thing because it's not gonna work. Oh my god.
Are you good? Alright, you ready?
Wait for it.
Wait, good?
Nope. There you go. Go for it. Come on, muscles.
I feel like.
Come on, muscles.
You wanna try?
I can't pull from that far away. Come on, muscles.
I like.
Gimbal is confused. Come here, you little turd.
Did you see that bird?
No.
It flew like underneath.
I wonder if the GoPro caught it.
Oh, I don't